Want to log out of your Roblox account on your PlayStation? It's a simple process designed to protect your privacy and allow easy account switching. First, launch the Roblox app on your PS4 or PS5. Ensure you're signed into PlayStation Network (PSN). From the Roblox home screen, press the Options button on your controller. Navigate to Settings, the gear icon. Then scroll down and select Account, and finally choose Sign Out. Confirm your choice, and you'll be returned to the login screen. This clears cached data, enhancing security, especially on shared consoles. As of 2025, this method remains the standard, ensuring a seamless experience on both PS4 and PS5. Switching accounts and security tips. After logging out, select Sign In to use a different Roblox account. If you need to switch PlayStation Network accounts, go to your console's Settings, Account Management, Sign Out of PSN. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication (2FA) in your Roblox account settings before logging out. This adds an extra layer of protection. Remember that Roblox's cross-platform compatibility allows seamless account management across mobile, PC, and consoles. Keep your app updated to the latest version, e.g. v2.1.5, for improved stability and the latest features. Logging out helps prevent unauthorized access, especially in family settings or when sharing consoles.